हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल डेली सिविल एमसीक्यू। आज मैं आपके लिए हाईवे इंजीनियरिंग के एमसीक्यू लेके आया हूँ। आपके सभी सिविल इंजीनियरिंग फ्रेंड के साथ ये वीडियो शेयर करिए। जो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम का प्रिपरेशन कर रहा है उनके लिए ये बहुत हेल्पफुल वीडियो है और ऑल जेईई एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए बहुत हेल्पफुल वीडियो है। प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड कमेंट। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Question number 1. Nagpur road plan formula were prepared by assuming and following are the options, and option number D is the correct answer. Radial or star and grid road pattern is used. Question number 2. The sequence of 4 stages of survey in a highway alignment is, and following are the options, and the correct answer is option C. Map study, recognize, preliminary survey and detailed survey. Question number 3. The shape of the chamber the best suited for cement concrete pavement is, and following are the options, and the correct option is option number A, straight line. Question number 4. For waterborne macadam roads in localities of heavy rainfall, the recommended values of chamber is, and following are the options, and the option number B is the right answer. 1 in 36 is suited for heavy rainfalls. Question number 5. The stopping sight distance depends on. Following are the options, and correct answer is option D, all of the above. The sight distance depends on total reaction time of driver, speed of vehicle, efficiency of brakes. Question number 6. When the path traveled along the road surface is more than the circumferential moment of the wheel due to rotation, then it is result in, and following are the options, and the correct option is B, skidding. Question number 7. Coefficient of friction is less than when pavement surface is. Following are the options, and correct answer is option D, smooth and wet. Question number 8. The shoulder provided along the road edge should be. Following are the options, and correct option is A, rougher than the traffic lanes. Question number 9. Chamber in the road is provided for. Following are the options, and option number A is the correct answer. Effective drainage. Question number 10. Compared to a level surface on a descending gradient, the stopping sight distance is. Following are the options, and option B is the right answer, more as compared to level surface. Question number 11. On a single lane road with two-way traffic, the minimum sight distance is equal to. Following are the options, and option B is the correct answer, 2 times the stopping sight distance. Question number 12. The desirable length of overtaking zone as per IRC recommendations is equal to. Following are the options, and option D is the correct answer, 5 times the overtaking sight distance. Question number 13. Stopping sight distance is always. Following are the options, and option A is the correct answer. SHD is always less than the overtaking sight distance. Question number 14. The effect of grade on safe overtaking sight distance is. Following are the options, and correct option is C, to increase it on both descending and ascending grades. Question number 15. The ruling design speed on a national highway in plain terrain recommendation is. Following are the options, and correct option is C, 100 km per hour speed is the ruling design speed on national highway. Question number 16. The terrain may be classified as rolling terrain if the cross slope of land is. Following are the options, and correct option is B, between 10% and 25%. Question number 17. Reaction time of a driver. Following are the options, and option B is the correct answer, decrease with increase in speed. Question number 18. If B is the wheel track of a vehicle and his the height of center of gravity above road surface. Then to avoid overturning and lateral skidding on a horizontal curve, the centrifugal ratio should always be. Following are the options, and option B is the correct answer. Should always be less than B by 2h and also less than coefficient of lateral friction. Question number 19. As per IRC recommendations, the maximum limit of super elevation for mixed traffic in plain terrain is. Following are the options, and option A is the correct answer, 1 in 15. Question number 22. For the design of super elevation for mixed traffic condition, the speed is reduced by. Following are the options, and correct answer is C, 25% speed is reduced. Question number 21. For a constant value of coefficient of lateral friction, the value of required super elevation increases with. Following are the options, and correct option is C, increase in speed and with decrease in radius of curve. Question number 22. To calculate the minimum value of ruling radius of horizontal curve in planes, the design speed is given by. Following are the options, and option C is the correct answer, 16 km per hour. Question number 23. The attainment of super elevation by rotating of pavement about the inner edge of the pavement. Following are the options, and correct option is C, avoid the drainage problem in flat terrain. Question number 24. Select the correct statement. The correct answer is option D. Psychological extra widening depends on the speed of vehicle. Question number 25. In case of hill roads, the extra widening is generally provided. Following are the options, and option B is the correct answer, fully on the inner side of the curve.